human psychology, there's another tool that is really, really useful in trading called a Fibonacci retracement. This is one of my go-to indicators. So this is how a Fibonacci works. Say you have a chart moving up where you have a trend in a certain direction. You can click on this Fibonacci retracement, click at the beginning of a trend, and go all the way up to the highest point on the trend. And what you're going to see are these numerical values. Okay, starting from 1 to 0, we have 78.6, 61.8, which is in green, 50, 38.2, and 23.6. And what you'll notice is oftentimes if a trend is going to have a pull down, this 50 level is often the level it will go to and have a continuation higher. Same thing with this 61.8. This is referred to as the golden ratio. This is the ratio that can be found naturally occurring in the formation of shells, plants, trees, even your facial symmetry, all for some reason fall around this specific Fibonacci value, which oftentimes will lead the price to revert cleanly down to that level and have a continuation move up, which once again can allow us to start to structure positions around these key levels. Okay, so if we go back to our chart, we know we have an uptrend and a downtrend. So say, for example, we wanted to look at this trend and see some of its important levels. We'd click at the high and then go over to the low. And then let's watch what happens to price and where it starts to respond. Okay, so as the chart moves forward, that becomes the low. Okay, price comes up, reacts cleanly off of that 61.8 value. And it just so happens that that level was the last level for a massive move to the downside. Even looking at this area right here, say we were to start from this point to there, this push down before a continuation higher was basically the last level that the price regressed down to before making a continuation up. Okay, and another really cool piece of technical analysis that I like to use when I'm looking at these formations is something called a fair value gap. And you can see these all over the chart. So it's basically these big candles that are making these big pushes like here and like here, or like here and like